Today we're going to learn two ways to make videos in Coohom. The first method. We find video templates when we click Gallery. We have been provided with 3 templates. We can choose what we like. Then take a look at the preview. Then just click Confirm to start rendering the video. Let's take a look at the rendered video. You can also choose Awesome Animation or Product Showcase. The second method. Click to enter the video. There are 3 shot paths we can choose. Let's start with straight lens. If you want to change the direction of the lens route, click reverse. Then you can adjust the angle of view, as well as the double speed at the bottom. You can see the real-time effect in the upper right corner. Click Uncheck to hide this route. Then let's look at the curved lens. Move the center circle to adjust the radian size. Find the focus lens, select a center point. You can move the lens around the center. The last one is vertical lens. Select a position and adjust the angle, etc. Finally, check all 3 routes to export the video. Let's see the end result.